Hello friends, welcome to Unix programming tutorial. In this class we are going to discuss about the commands unique to files. So creating the file with the help of VA command. You can create the file or edit the file. So more command is used to display the file. LPR command is used to print the file. So first we discuss about VA command. So VA command is used to create and edit the file. So what is a VA? So VA means visual editor can edit existing file or create a new file. We can use editor to read a text file also. So syntax. So VA space, you can give the file name or you can simply use VA also. So example, VA sample. That means you are going to create a new file with the name sample or you are going to open the existing file sample. So VA hyphen R file name. If I give VA hyphen R sample, that means I open this file for the purpose of read only. It is also similar. It's a view file name. So that means I open the sample file to read. So modes of operation in editor. So this is very important. So many people are confusing when they are using VA editor. So there are three modes. So one is command mode, second one is insert mode, and third one is escape mode. So for example, I have opened VA sample. So what happened? A window is opened. So with the name is sample file. So now, so which mode is enabled? When we are open, the command mode is enabled. So what is a command mode means? If I press any character, that is interpret as a command only. That means in command mode, VA interprets any character we type, that is as a command. For example, I type a command A. The A is not printed in sample file. The A is interpreted as a command. For example, I press I. The I is interpreted as a command. How I enter to insert mode means give the command I, small I. If I give this small I, then the mode is changed from command mode to insert mode. So what is the insert mode? In this insert mode, you are going to insert the text into the file. For example, I want to give the first line. How I can give? At the time of opening, it is empty. Whatever you are giving, that is that it accepts as a command only. So you can give I as the command. I means insert. So now you can insert the data, first line. So after that, so escape mode. What the escape mode means? It enables you to perform tasks such as saving, quit, executing commands. How we can change the mode from command or insert to escape means simply press the escape and give the input colon. So then the mode is changed to escape mode or last line mode. We are calling this mode as a last line mode. So now we can see that, so what are the different commands available in VA. So first one is moving within a file. So that means, so these are the file content. Let us assume. So K means up. If you are pressing the K means the cursor goes to up. If you are pressing the J means the cursor goes to down. H means left. L means right. So 0 or R. This is the R symbol. So that means the cursor comes to beginning of the line. The cursor comes to beginning of the line. So dollar means it goes to ending of the line. So capital W means, so this is the one word, this is another word. That means here if I press the capital W, then cursor goes to next word. Similarly, capital B means previous word. So similarly, scrolling in a file. So how we can scroll the file? So Control plus D. All these are controls. Control plus D. So move forward half screen. So Control plus F, move full screen. So Control plus U, backward half screen. So control plus B, so backward full screen. So control plus E means you are moving the line by line up. So control plus Y, so moving the one line down. So that means these commands you are using for scrolling purpose. So these commands you are using for moving purpose. So next, editing and inserting. These are the important. So how we can insert the data into the file means, if you are using the small I means, for example, this is the hi friends. The cursor here. So insert before. If I press I, that means now I press A, that is inserted here. Capital I, insert beginning of the line. That means if I press capital A, then I can insert starting of the line. So A means insert after. That means in this case the cursor is here, then A is printed here. Capital A, insert at end of the line. That means here I am going to insert. So small o means create a new line below cursor. So for example, this is the cursor. It creates a new line below the cursor. That means a new line is inserted here. So capital O means same, created a new line above the cursor. Here a new line is created. Okay, so this is about inserting. Like that, deleting the characters. How we can delete the characters? So capital X means delete character before. That means this is the data. So this is the cursor. If I give capital X, delete character before, that means the I is deleted. Small x, after the cursor, the N is deleted. I want to delete entire line, then I can give DD. So delete entire line. Next, this is also very important. Save and exit command. How we can save and exit from the editor? So one is quit. So quit is nothing but, for example, when you are opening the file in the form of reading. That means I opened a file to read the contents. At that point there is no point of saving, so you can use Q. So how we can enter into this escape mode means press escape and colon. That means the end of the line is here, colon. Q. If you are given the Q means quit. In the similar way, escape colon Q naught. That means quit without saving the changes. That means you are discarding the sort of the changes you are applying to this file. In the similar way, you want to write the changes, then you can use colon W Q, enter, the changes is made to the file. So W file name. If you are using the open this VI editor as like this, VI, that's it. There is no file name. You are writing the content. At the end of the program, you want to save these contents into a file name. Then you can use W sample. Now the contents are saved to the file name sample. So next command is more command. So more command is used to display the file. So view the text files in the command mode. So syntax more file name. So for example, more sample is the file name. It displays the content in the sample like this. Here they are pressing more 15% like this. Okay, so if you press enter key to scroll down line by line, so one line, next it displays another line. If you press space bar, it goes to next page. If you press B, then it displays previous page. That means if you want to go to the next line, press enter. If you want to go to the next page, then press space bar. If you want to move to the previous page, then press B. So -D. We can use options to this more command. So -D, that means more -D sample. That means to help the user to navigate in the file from the, it displays some message. In this place, it displays the message. What is the message? Press space to continue and Q. So how we can quit from the view means by pressing the small q. So similarly, hyphen P. If I use hyphen P, so clear the screen and display the text. If you are using hyphen C, so display the pages on a same area. That means it displays the one page. If you are using -C, if you press enter, then so these are replaced with next lines. And similarly, hyphen S. So hyphen S means squeeze multiple blank lines. If there are any multiple blank lines, these are squeezed with the help of hyphen S. So for example, I want to display 5 lines at a time. That means I use plus number, that means plus 5. It displays the text after the specific number of lines. So first 5 lines. If I press enter, next 5 lines. And the another one is print file, LPR. LPR means line printer. This command is used to print the file. So syntax LPR file name. So for example, I want to print the sample document, LPR sample. These are the commands related to files. So VI for create and edit, more for display the file. So the difference between more and cat. Cat command is also display the file only. More command is also display the file only. But cat command, if you are giving the cat sample, we move to the last line of the file. If you are using the more, it displays the first few lines of the file. That is the difference between cat and more. And so last one, LPR, is for to print the file. Now we see VI editor. How to use VI editor? VI space file name. The file name is sample. Now this is in the command mode. How I can change to insert mode means by using give I. So for example, if I type anything that was not printed on the monitor. So how I can insert the data into the file means by converting the command mode to insert mode. How? Small I. Now I can give the data. Second line, third line, fourth line. In this way, you can save the data. How we can save the data? Press escape and colon. If you observe that the last line, so that is escape mode. Now I want to save this data into the file sample. So I give W Q. So that means write and quit. So this is the data. Okay. So now we can see how to move. So how we can move? For using the J, we move down. For using K, up. For H, left. For using L, right. This is the right. So this is the left. So how I can delete? If you press X, that is delete. If I want to delete entire line, D, entire line is deleted. How we can quit without saving? Press escape, colon, Q not. That means quit without saving. That's it. So if you check that, the changes are not made to sample. Now I want to display the file SS with the help of more SS. So that's it. So this is the more. So that means it displays. If I press enter, go to next line. If I press next line, next page. If I using the B, it's a back. Okay. How I can quit? Press Q. Now we can see the options. More -D SS. Now it displays the press space to continue, Q to quit. So LPR sample to print actually. So this is not connected to printer. So no default destination.